The Aquatic Ultra Saddlebag 6x9 speaker kit comes complete and ready to install in Harley-Davidson saddlebag tops. The speakers have a max power of 300 watts and an RMS power of 200 watts. 20,000 Hz guarantees a rich, high-quality sound. Please watch as we install these in a set of 2021 saddlebag tops. With the provided templates in the kit, it makes easy work of cutting through these bag tops. Check it out. Now that the speakers have been securely installed into the bag tops, we're going to show you how to light them up. The RGB color illumination is completely customizable with the Aquatic AV mobile app and RGB controller. Here's how we did it. Once we downloaded the Aquatic AV app from the App Store and put it on our iPhone, with the touch of our fingers, we could change the colors and illumination brightness. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we're going to get them on the bike, wired up, and bumping tunes.